Hi, I am going to show a demo of Cortical. How using Cortical you can create a radiology or a pathology report. So we will be creating a sample pathology report. So let's go to patient notes and let's add a new patient. Let's name them GT and keep the other details as they are. Okay, so let's start the reading the report. Histopathology report. New line. Mandibular right ramus region swelling biopsy. New para. Gross. New line. A soft tissue specimen is received, 2 in number, 0.5 into 0.5 centimeter in size, gray black in color and firm in consistency, full stop. New line. The soft tissue is taken as such for HP examination. New para. Microscopic diagnosis. New line. The biopsy shows fibrocollagenous connective tissue having collagen fiber bundles, live bony trabecules, dilated and engorged capillaries and extravasated RBCs, full stop. New line. The connective tissue also shows spindle cells having hyperchromatic and pleomorphic nuclei, full stop. New line. New para. Opinion. New line. The bistopathology is suggestive of spindle cell sarcoma, full stop. Larger tissue specimen is required to reach definitive diagnosis, full stop. Save note. So as we see that it is very easy to create a report using. Hi, let's see now how we can access the report which we created from the Cortical app from our laptop or desktop. So I have already opened the site, https yogpatri.com/notes. I have already logged in, but you will need to log in for the first time. So as we come here, we see that the last report is already loaded. You can click any of the view notes and the reports created for that token will be loaded. So this is our report. You can view the style text or you can view the normal raw text, but we will copy the style text. And what we will do, you can copy a single one or you can copy all. So we'll copy, select all, and then we will open the Microsoft Word. And this is like a sample report format for us. So we'll just paste it here. And now it is ready for printing. We can edit it if we want. And it is ready for printing. So as you can see, that it is very easy to create a report using Cortical, and it has automatically detected the headings and the points in those headings and automatically formatted the report. So the document